everybody, what's going on? It's your girl Just T coming back at you with another recipe. Today I'm gonna be making my version, banging ass potato salad. See, normally people make potato salad, they want to use mayonnaise. Now me myself, I'm not a big fan of mayonnaise, never have been all my life. So when my mom would make our potato salad, she used that key ingredient. Kraft, has to be Kraft, and I'm not endorsing them, but I tried other brands and they're just not as tasty as this. So I use Kraft sandwich spread. I add some mustard in here, just a little bit. You're gonna need some eggs, so I went ahead and boiled those. Some black pepper and some salt. We're just gonna use that to taste. You know, you can put how much you want to put in there. I'm not gonna measure that or give you the measurements for that, because you know that's gonna be your taste buds. And I also have in here, I cut up some vegetables. I have like 1/4 of a cup of celery, and the same, I have 1/4 cup of the bell peppers, the green and red, and 1/4 cup of onions. Now you don't have to put any of those in here if you don't want, but that's just how I make mine. And I had cut up I think it was like 4 or 5 medium-sized potatoes. And so went ahead and washed them and rinsed them off and everything. So we're gonna get these in this pot so we can get started, because we need to cook these potatoes before we can even make the potato salad. So you want to rinse your potatoes off, cut them up. I like to cut mine up nice size. I don't like them real small. And I'm not making a big bowl of potato salad. Actually, I'm trying to make enough to fit in this bowl right here. It's just myself and my husband. So I'm gonna put enough water in here just to cover that pot up. So we're just gonna put enough water in this pot to just cover those potatoes. You don't have to put a lot of water, just enough to cover them. See that? Just enough to cover them. And we're gonna start this out on a high temp. I'm gonna start it out on high. And once this water starts to boil, when it comes to a rapid boil, then I'm gonna turn it down, because I don't wanna cook them on high heat, because you might get sidetracked like I do, and then you're gonna forget, then your potatoes gonna be mushy. So I will turn it down to like about a 4 once it starts to boil. So I'm gonna let those boil, and once those get done cooking, we gonna come on back and we gonna put this potato salad together. Hey y'all, we back, and these potatoes have cooled off, so I'm gonna add those into the bowl, and I've been dicing up my egg. So I'm gonna show y'all how to dice up one, but I'm thinking everybody know how to dice up an egg. I love some eggs, so you don't have to put as many in here. I think I put about 7 eggs in mine, because I love eggs, so I put a whole bunch of them in here. And I like to leave mine a little big, but you can cut them however you want to cut them. And then we're gonna move over to the vegetables. This is the celery, the bell peppers, red and green, and then we got an onion in here. And I'm just gonna put some in, because I'm not sure if I'm gonna even use all of them yet. I'm just kind of eyeballing it.
You're eyeballing?
I'm an eyeball it, baby. Okay, and then we got that's the magic potion right there, sandwich spread. Look at that. Got some little pieces of pickles and stuff in there, all the goodness in there. So I don't really measure this like I told you guys. I'm just gonna, you know, eyeball it, and we'll go from there.
Or eyeball it.
So, you so silly, babe. Eyeball it. It might take this whole jar though, but I'm gonna be stirring it up. And it also got some mustard. Ain't hardly too much in here. Beat it on the side, babe. You know how to beat it on the side?
You're gonna beat it with the eyeball.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Oh no, that's all bad. So you just want to squirt a little bit. You don't need a whole lot of mustard. Mustard is really tangy. Let me get this off my hand. So yeah, you don't need a lot of mustard. Like I said, I don't measure stuff, so I'm gonna have to taste it and everything and see. And then we got some black pepper. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of black pepper. Not a lot, just a little bit. So I'll say that's maybe a teaspoon of black pepper. Salt, about the same, because you don't want to, I don't use a lot of salt. So just a little bit right now. Like I said, you can taste it as you're making it or whatever and see what it tastes like to you. We definitely gonna need some more of that sandwich spread, but I just want to get it kind of mixed up a little bit. But that Kraft sandwich spread to me, oh my gosh, I swear, if you make some potato salad and you use that right there, it's gonna be good. My husband never had it until he met me, and he's actually said, I don't know, does it taste different to you, or does it kind of taste about, you know?
No, it tastes different. It definitely tastes better.
Okay. he said it tastes better, then it tastes better. It must taste better. That's like the internet. My husband says something, it's gotta be true. Yeah, see, we're gonna definitely need some more. And with your onions too, and your bell peppers, you can definitely cut them up smaller if you want to. Just because some people might not like, you know, the bite of an onion because they are raw. I didn't saute them or anything. I usually saute my vegetables when I do my chicken salad though. I'm gonna have to make a video with that one too. See, I can tell though, I'm gonna add a little more black pepper in here. Trying to get it, everything all incorporated in here, mixed up. I love all the colors though, the colors in there, but I love bell peppers, like colorful bell peppers. Yes, yes, yes. So I'm gonna add just a little bit more mustard, just a little bit. That's probably about a half a teaspoon or so. So I can kind of tell by the color. And you don't have to add mustard in yours. If you don't like mustard or don't want it in your hell, like I always tell you, it's your shit. Put what you want to put in there. But it's a certain color that I'm looking for, so. This kind of reminds me of like maybe a southern, hell, my mama was southern. That's probably why she put the mustard in there, you know? I'm not from down south, but my mom was, and when she would make this is how she made hers. And that's the only way we would eat it. I don't eat everybody potato salad. But I promise you, if you make this, you know, at a potluck or for a special occasion, they definitely gonna love it. Every time I make this potato salad for people, they're always like, oh my gosh, that's so good. What did you use? You know, because that sandwich bread is going to give that a little bit of sweetness to it. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. And then what you can do as well, if you're going to take it for some, you know, take it for a dinner for somewhere, or if you're taking it somewhere, you can always dress up the top. You know, maybe cut some eggs in half and lay those on top of it. I'm gonna put a little bit of parsley on there, just on top, give it a little more color. And then we're gonna be done with that, because that's about done, baby. That's gonna be so good. I cannot wait. I'm just gonna add a little parsley on there. Just a little bit on top. A lot of people put paprika on there. But I like the way the parsley looks on there. And bow, look at that. That's cheese. Famous potato salad. You won't get that anywhere, but I promise you, you go ahead and try that recipe and let me know how it come out. Because if you make it like how I told you, you're going to turn heads. They're going to swear you put your whole foot in it.